Forest Resource Analysis System Software, or FRASS, relies on new approaches to forest land data interpretation, their application in timber harvest timing decisions, and land value determination. FRASS contains in its structure a built-in mechanism for timber price predictions in real values. It is the data system software to schedule financially optimal land management activities and to determine a parcel's market value, one timber stand at a time. Complicated in its architecture, it is simple in function, flexible in adaptation to your long-term needs, and unified in a consistency of its approach. Operating with traditional and familiar precursors, the program will advance your perception to a higher level of professional imagination. So let us start with how the program's basic structure is composed. The base of the triangle is formed by three critical data components: parcels' physical site features, delivered log prices and logging costs, and volume and date-specific forest biometric projections. Above, you see FRASS Econometric Approach and Real Price Appreciation Forecast Tool, both forming a financial evaluation nexus, a core of the entire programmatic structure, serving to organize communication within established data matrix. From here, we proceed to the next level where the results of real-time calculations are conveyed. Growth and yield projections are converted into value components, sensitive to any timber stand in the current, next, and all rotations into perpetuity. Performed on demand, multiple calculations bring you to a harvest timing identifier as a critical driver for long-term financial optimality. The two components of land appraisal and asset valuation are brought into the ultimate decision-making scenario to serve the core target of profitability with the same degree of responsibility. FRASS program is best described as an asset management optimization apparatus designed to generate long-term value from timberland properties. Comprehensive in its coverage of accumulated data specifics, it is arranged into a seamless visual package of data layers, easy to manipulate, edit, share, and present, if needed, in printed form. It analyzes data already assembled, such as GIS data and forest growth and yield records, to amplify financial profitability for a range of business operations. Biometric growth and yield projections are taken as merchandised product descriptions annually for the initial 10 years, then every 5 years for 250 years on each timber stand rotation. Physical site characteristics, including roads and streams, place operable and non-operable land identifiers into the valuation scenario. Road network solutions describe non-operable lands and distances on each road class for log trucking and road maintenance costs from a timber stand at each harvest entry. New road construction is scheduled for non-roaded stands 2 years before the first harvest is planned, thus placed in the cycle of cash flow considerations. The Real Price Appreciation Forecast Tool, integrated as a core valuation determinant for delivered log markets, matches merchandised log volume projections with sort price forecasts. Logging, log trucking, road building, and professional labor costs are forecast to provide a clear picture of future net revenues for financial optimization. Offered as a software-as-a-service application maintained on a secure server, the FRASS site can be accessed by authorized users on any computing device with an internet browser, a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, thin client, or smartphone. There is no need for you to install or update software, increase storage space on user devices, or invest in high-capacity computing power. All storage and processing is completed on secure servers with interactive features. This solution gives you an ability to manage single-source databases within the FRASS program. Authorized users can participate within the software service, no matter where each user's access comes from, in your main office, in the field with an internet-connected device, or from a remote office location using a thin client. To articulate a principally different approach to financially optimal forest land management, we were challenged to view the traditional stage of concepts in a different light through a shift in its angle, allowing us to recognize that two factors, attention to detail and time, when combined, serve as a powerful value optimizers. Re-evaluating hidden relationships within the same data structures led us to newly appreciated concepts of profitability. This program combines in its architecture tools to allow making three-pronged, most critical financially loaded decisions in timberland management: periodic asset reporting, forestland appraisal valuation, and harvest timing. When all three are in a well-orchestrated agreement, long-term financial optimality becomes truly achieved. We invite you to visit our FRASS demonstration site to explore how the program can assist you to increase your timberland management operational profitability. Apply the FRASS approach to your forestland property to learn how harvest timing, through multiple rotations, can increase your long-term profitability. Subscriptions to the FRASS service are made on an annual basis. Data are held securely and confidentially for use in the program to the sole benefit of the client. FRASS reports generate findings that increase long-term profitability starting now.